Hello everything!
Glimpse of the activity completed. Glimpse of the activity completed. Challenges encountered.
During performing our activities, we've experienced some problems. One of that is finding the right place kung saan gagawa ng mga activities. In the weeks of pandemic, it's very hard to find the right place kung saan pwedeng gumawa ng mga school activities.
Main problem that I encountered in my PE class during the pandemic is power interruption. There are times that while I'm sending a file, brownout comes into action. Also, while I am editing videos. Additionally, editing videos gave me a hard time because I only have a smartphone. It is so hard to maneuver using touch screen.
So here are the challenges that we encountered as a student. Slow internet connection, background noise, costly because of load, and lack of meetings to discuss the lessons. We overcome it by slowly accepting that this is the new normal, or the new mode of learning.
Yes, I encountered when taking PE22 as my subject was doing all the activities assigned to us, and the time management skills of the students are tested because we are all in at home because of the flexible learning method. We should attend to also to our duties at home, doing household chores.
The problem that I had encountered in doing the activities in PE is the internet connection, because the internet connection here in our barangay is very poor. I find it difficult whenever I send it to our GC, especially all of our activities are videos and needed to be documented.
Problem na na-encounter ko sa subject na ito is yung nag-edit ng video, since dapat lahat video time. And nahirapan ako mag-edit ng video dun sa vlog.
The problem that I encountered in our PE subject is all the activities needs physical contact. Since we have COVID-19, we need social distancing. Nahirapan kami na gawin yung mga activities in PE subject kasi yung iba naming classmate ay hindi pinayagan na umalis sa kanilang bahay kasi nga takot silang mahawaan ng COVID. And sometimes, when we have activities in our PE subject, yung mga klase ko na taga-isla ay hindi sila updated sa mga gagawin naming outputs and activities. Pero naintindihan namin yung situation nila. In our PE subject, there's no problem with our teacher. Kasi we're very lucky na meron kaming isang guro na maunawain, mabait. And masasabi namin na ikaw yung pinaka-the best teacher, ma'am. We're very grateful and happy na ikaw yung naging teacher namin. I love you, ma'am.
The problem that I had encountered in PE22 is poor internet connection.
The problem that I encountered while doing the PE activities is the vlog, because it feels kinda awkward while doing it. First time ko kasi. But in the contrary, nakikita mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo pala siyang gawin, na hindi mo inaasahan, nagiging kang creative pag-edit ng video at yung sa content.
One of the problems and struggle I encounter in this subject is when making a vlog. Since it's my first time doing a vlog, just it happened gives me...
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Ahead of the PE subject,
Way back before we blew
the
it all.
problems I
Take me
have
back to a
encountered
place
was
where I
struggling
felt
and
at
putting
home.
much
Take me
effort
back to a
in
day when
editing
we weren't
videos.
alone. Take
And
me
I
back
find it
to
also
an
hard
age
to
when the
adapt an
world
online
felt
learning
small.
environment immediately
Way back before
after
we blew it
traditional
all.
classroom
Many
learning.
things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls, I feel like life is on hold. Perceptions stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide, when everything is a lie. You'll find that out in some time, but when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises.
Challenges encountered. Dedicated message.
Hi madam, so thank you very much for more than a year of sharing your knowledge and wisdom to us. To, isa ka sa pinakamabait, ibang klase yung dedication, and nauunawaan mo yung struggles and pain namin as a student. So thank you sa mga pag-extend ng activities, pag-extend ng due date. So sana marami ka pang ma-inspired na other students. So good luck sa career mo and keep safe. God bless and thank you.
Hi ma'am, thank you so much for everything, especially for your patience and consideration.
For me, the most challenging part is yung pag-edit kasi hindi ko alam kung creative ako and artistic, pero na-discover ko na marunong pala ako. But overall, it was an amazing experience. Thank you mom because I became a better version of myself. Wow! Na-realize ko na meron pala akong talent dito, lahat ng paghihirap ay worth it. And ang masasabi ko lang is, when kaya ulit?
Hi madam, thank you for being a good teachers to us. Tapos sa halabang patience, thank you. Tapos ano pa, sa pagiging ano din, ako lang as a teacher, kundi pagiging ate. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
M. Most. A. Adorable. I. Instructor. L. Lively. A. Affectionate. You tend to connect to us no matter what, expressing my gratitude because you're one of a kind. I hope that you will never forget us. We, the BSE2B, are hoping that you are happy and grateful for your achievements and luck, and hoping that BSE2B will have a special place in your heart that establish a strong partnership.
For all the hard works and efforts that you have done for us, I will always be thankful. I may not have always shown it, but I am grateful to have been taught by such an admirable teacher like you.
Hello Ma'am Mayra, thank you sa pagiging considerate professor, and thank you po ma'am sa napakahabang pasensya sa kagaharap kang mga activity, though late kami nagpapasa but still you consider it. Thank you sa napakahabang patient, thank you sa napaka-understandable sa lahat ng mga students. Thank you for everything, and you are the best teacher to work to be remembered.
I respect you for having such a big heart to tolerate behaviors of naughty and disrespectful students just to ensure that you impart knowledge to everyone. Your inspirational words are like beautiful footprints that have been etched in our hearts and minds forever.
Dedicated message.
We really enjoyed the online class. I thought it was well planned and laid out, easy for us to follow. Even though we enjoy the matter of course, we struggle sometimes editing the theme around to our PE blogs and recording. Overall, we really like this class because of the lecture, activities, and tests are very straightforward. This subject taught us to enjoy life to the fullest. Especially in this time, health is very crucial to us. Thank you, Ma'am Myla, for treating us one-of-a-kind class. We really miss your face in the front of our class, singing, dancing, and lots of PE stuff. You make our course easier and comfortable to make things anything around the sun. Thank you and we love you, ma'am. We hope we met soon in the same class and the same school.
To be honest, our journey in those semesters is so hard because this is our first time to experience this kind of learning. But thanks to my friends and classmates, we help each other throughout the journey. We survived this school year because we help each other. Thank you.
Love you, Mom.